The European coastline is important because more than half of the European population is actually living there. So for us, it's very important. It's also highly interesting as the land meets the sea and we find many, many different habitats.
Working in the field and on the boat can be pretty challenging depending on the weather conditions.
The TREC expedition, which stands for Traversing European Coastline, is a 18 months journey across the European coastline where we're doing research and connecting with local scientists. As part of the TREC expedition, in the last few days, we had multiple teams going out sampling everything from water to air to soil and marine sediments for either directly working on them here in the mobile lab or transporting them back to our home base. A strong focus of the TREC expedition is the climate change. On the one hand, we're establishing a baseline of what's the status of our habitats, and then we have a wide range of analysis in order to look for the diversity of solutions that nature has come up with already.
The main organisms that we are looking for are phytoplanktons, which are small photosynthetic organisms and that are mostly responsible for carbon fixation in the ocean.
With the samples that we take, we can do various analysis from genomics all the way to cryo-EM.
We can get insights of the cells of intracellular organelles in their native environment.
It allows us to study the native architecture of organelles and membrane organization directly inside the cell, and also to access at high resolution the organization of molecular complexes in the cell.
So vitrification is a key step to preserve our samples when they come in from the environment. With this, we can arrest all cellular activity. The mobile lab is key to actually achieving advanced technologies like vitrification, as we're getting the lab as close as possible as we can to the biology. So instead of days or weeks, we can within minutes or hours process our samples. As a consequence, now we see for the first time interactions that we haven't seen before, cell organelles and cell contents that we could never record before. So we are getting a completely new view on life. The colleagues from Thermo Fisher were very receptive when we first discussed about the TREC expedition. They also saw the importance of such a mission right now.
We are very happy to be a part of this project, where we are helping scientists with our latest technology in cryo-electron microscopy to really look at the molecular architecture of these single-cell organisms.
To continue a good life, it's important that we understand the coastlines. We need to know what's their status. It's a big effort to bring together the European research community to tackle our modern man-made problems like climate change.